Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Alright, so today we will talk about interactions of the ecosystems. Well, to be more specifically, we will talk about the first part, which is about making things clear about populations, communities, and ecosystems. Now we're talking about a subject which is biology. Well, we have different parts of it, and today we will learn about populations, communities, and ecosystems, just those things. So, come to the first one, which is about populations. What is that? Well, population is definitely like a group of the specific species that live in an area. For example, like in a forest, it have lots of areas, so that kind of species live in a specific area. For example, like a population of deers, so that is like the members of the deers. So the species here, of course, is deers, and there are lots of deers that live in a group and in an area. So we call it a population. It includes lots of members of deers, and we call it a group of deers. Yeah, a population of deers. Now, next one is about the communities. What is that? It's not a communities like us, the human beings. It's more different. All right, we're talking about the interactions in an ecosystem. All right, so populations, it will contain all of the living things, including plants too, or the fish under the water, or the birds in the sky, including all those things, living things. Trees, plants, birds, deers, tigers, all of those things. We will call it a community. So a community, it will include plants, tigers, birds, etc. that live in an area. So that is called a community. Now, what about an ecosystems? Now, we always heard, you guys might have heard about like the balance of the ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Well, the ecosystem in an ecosystem will include non-living things and living things. So it will have living things like plants, animals, but besides that, it also includes the non-living things, including stones, water, shelter, or food. So those are the non-living things. But it's so important because in that non-living things, we also have food, shelter, and water for the animal. So and those non-living things, there are so much non-living things outside there, but the most specific, we will talk about the water, the food, and well, the shelter, and we will talk about that in the next video. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.